Peak Silicone Plus premium hybrid wiper blades are an upgrade to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with pinch tab and pinch tab button wiper arms. First, remove the pre-attached adapter by pinching the clips on both sides of the blade and pulling off the adapter. Discard the adapter. Next, find the long base adapter and lock it into the blade by snapping the clips fully into place. Now, with the wiper arm in the upright position, slide the adapter with the arrow onto the end of the wiper arm until it locks into place. Then, snap the wiper arm with the connected adapter onto the long base adapter. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Lastly, if there is a plastic protector over the rubber, slide it off the wiper blade and that's it. You're done! Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and then you're ready for the fun part, activating the blade's water repellency. To do that, run the wipers at medium speed for 3 to 5 minutes on a dry windshield. Then spray washer fluid onto the windshield and allow the blades to clear it. This will make sure your windshield is thoroughly coated. Now you're set, ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Peak Silicone Plus wiper blades with infused water repellent technology.